okay, finally is run them. All right. And I talked about the website already. I talked about the software and the website. There's a lot of property management softwares out there. We personally use StoreEdge is what we use. But there's all kinds, like there's ESS. The new one that just came out is Breeze. I just did a demo with them too, and it seems pretty good. Yeah, I mean, they don't have a website actually, and that they only do the property management software, which I thought was kind of cool. And they're going to come and do a demo to our storage nerd students next month, which will be really good. So for all the students that are here, you can hear them out and see what they do. It's kind of a different looking software, but it's very modern and stuff. But it just came out, and they're trying to really push it and stuff. And I think it fits very well into especially smaller facilities. But it is expensive. Like, these are not cheap. All right. And there's SiteLink. SiteLink is kind of the one that's been around forever. It's kind of older, and it's not really being funneled a lot, but a lot of really super big facilities are using this as well. Okay, good. Run them. What else? Yeah, so the software, what I'm saying is that your software is the most important part of your business, because it runs your entire back office. And the truth is that most people pay for a software every single month, but they don't utilize everything that software has to offer. Why pay for a software that has all the bells and whistles if you're only going to be putting tenants in? Right. So the reason that we chose StoreEdge, and I like StoreEdge so much, is because you can automate everything inside of StoreEdge. You can automate your auction. Our auctions are completely virtual because of StoreEdge. Oh, and then also StoreEdge now offers mailing. So we just signed up for this, so I'm really excited, and once Pete perfects this, we will go over this in the mastermind so all the students can see this. But essentially, we signed up for the mail house that StoreEdge. No, there's no other software that does this, but StoreEdge now just implemented this mail house where they'll mail out any type of letter that you want. Right. So for instance, your owner transfer letters, right? When you buy the facility and you want to send out letters to the new tenants, they will mail all these for you. They also mail rate increase letters. They mail these out for you as well too. So we signed up, and we're starting to utilize, and they do a lot of other stuff as well too, but we're starting to use all of the mail house stuff too. And we're the type of person, the reason that StoreEdge comes out with all this stuff is because they really question their members. What can we do to make this software better for you? And then this is all the stuff that they come up with. We need to automate auction process. We need to automate the letters. We need to automate our rate increases, right? So they have stuff like dynamic pricing. There's no software that does dynamic pricing, and there's no except for StoreEdge. I've asked all of them, and there's no software that does, but all softwares will do revenue management, but they will not do dynamic pricing. Revenue management, dynamic pricing. Auctions, mail house. So, so literally all the things that you're manually going in and doing, right? You really want to be able to automate this and just take it off your plate. You don't have to think about it. Okay. And so you want to find a software that does this. I mean, I think the software is the most important part of everything that you do. So spend some time really doing demos of every single software out there, and then asking them questions like, how do you do the revenue management? How do you do dynamic pricing? How do you do auctions? How do you do the mail house? What do you do to make everything easier? Do you ask your members on a regular basis what they're looking for so that you can update it? The one thing that I did like about Breeze too, actually the one thing with Breeze is that they do accounting is inside of Breeze. So you can't hook to QuickBooks, right? They have their own accounting system. So it's like right embedded, like you do your accounting plus software. It's really accounting plus software is really what it is. So like, that's why I said, play around and talk to every single software and really learn them, and then choose the right, choose the one that best fits what you're looking for.